Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from Metal Relic. We had a live stream and he donated a couple things for a couple of the winners, and they're here. And I wanted to do a little unboxing because it sounded really cool. All right, today I'm opening it up with my Tri-Stash. This is the Tri-State EDC and BladeBinge collab. Beautiful little silver surfer here. I've already been using it. You can see it's got some stuff on there. I do like this knife. Let's get into this. All right, so what do we have in here? Let's see. All right, we got some stickers. Cool, cool. Metal Relic. Definitely going to go toward the giveaways. Wow, that's nice. Oh, man, these might be a little bigger than I thought they were going to. Oh, man. Dang. All right, so we got this. Oh, we got some little cards as well. Definitely see some stuff that he does in here. Use coupon code, get $10 off your metal. Oh, a little coupon code, man. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Oh, I like this. Little baby, like little miniature little baby. Oh, little dryer line clips or whatever you call them. All right. So I know these two are going to probably be the roses. These are the ones that he donated for the first and second prize. And then we did a bonus third prize, and he thought he might have an extra one. So let's see what this is. It's supposed to be a cow or dog or something. Oh, look at that. That's stinking cool. I like that. All right, so welding. Look at that. Oh, look at that little thing there with the ears. That's cool. And then you've got, this looks like part of a bicycle chain, right? And you got a lug nut right there, and you got a little bolt. That's cool. I like that. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I think they will enjoy that one. So that's going to be part of the third prize giveaway. So let's look at what the other guys got in here. They got, I think he said it was a gold rose. Get a nice fancy bag. All right, you guys got to check him out. So I'm kind of excited about I think he called it a gold rose. Let's take a look. Okay. I'm impressed. I'm sincerely impressed. So there we go. Wow, a bunch of washers. Beautiful, nicely painted, black stem. Even got the little where the things are supposed to be. That's kind of cool. That is cool. It's got some weight to it, but man, that's nice. It's going to cost me to ship. You guys better appreciate it. But very cool. Man, that's cool. All right, so that's the first rose right there. We'll put that there. We'll put the little dog right here. Right, and we got a couple of clips. I'm not sure what if they go to one of these. Maybe I'm supposed to clip something on there, like maybe like one of the cards or something. I'm guessing that's what I'm guessing. So he said he promised, you know, he would do for 2 of the giveaways. So we got the roses. This was for the bonus giveaway. So he didn't, you know, he'd only committed to that. He was kind enough to do a third one. So you guys make sure you go check him out. Okay, please do. Oh, that's nice too. That's really nice. All right, I dig that. All right, so look at that. With all the washers on there. Oh, that's cool. Nicely painted with the leaf there. And I have to do a little cutting, a little etching there. That's cool. All right, that works. That works. Hey, maybe for Valentine's, you guys get your special someone a permanent rose that they can never worry about again. So there we go. All right, so that's what we got right there. This is a kind of a cool little unboxing. I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna have this maybe as like a little bonus unboxing kind of for everybody. It'll be a little quick one here. I don't think we need to do an entire video, but do go check him out. All right, so here he is, Jeremy Werkheiser. I'm assuming that's how I'm pronouncing it correctly. Metal Relic. Go check him out there. Let's see here. He's got an Etsy shop, and he has a website, metalrelic.com, okay? And these are his stickers right here as well. So definitely go check him out for sure. This is a cool thing to go check out. Yeah, I'm excited to put these in with the giveaways. Super, super awesome of him. Thank you, Jeremy. Super, super cool. And if you guys haven't had a chance, go check him out. Metal Relic. For sure, this is bonus to the bonus giveaways, so super awesome of him. Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. Thank you to everyone who made that live stream super amazing, and all this extra bonus on top of bonus, super cool. There's so many generous people there, so I'm super grateful to all of you guys. All right, where is my? Did I put my little card? Oh, it's over here underneath all the paper, keeping everything safe. All right, so let me put this down here. That way you can see all of that. All right, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Subscribing and liking the channel, it really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Things like this, super awesome people being generous like this. Jeremy, thank you. I love the dog. I'm super cute. My wife sees that. I'm going to have to probably order one from you, so I got to be careful if I let her take a look at that. But thank you. I have a feeling I'll be ordering one. But anyways, yeah, very, very, very cool. And I love the little clip here. I mean, you could, if you wanted to. I mean, come on. Little earrings, maybe like little doggy earrings or something. I don't know. Okay, that's stupid. I know. Anyway, I just thought it was funny. All right, but hey, if you found this like interesting, informative, and you enjoyed all this, go check them out. Seriously, go check them out. I really, really do appreciate that. I appreciate you subscribing, appreciate you liking the videos, appreciate you guys watching the videos, being part of the live stream, being part of the channel, watching the content, you know, leaving comments, subscribing, things like that. Thank you. Thank you to all you guys out there. You guys are amazing. And if you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this video, which will probably be a bonus video, an afternoon extra video kind of thing, right? Super excited about that. Yeah, that's how you can get informed of that. And also, you know, a big shout out, a big thank you to my channel members. You guys are amazing. You really are. You encourage me when I need encouragement because I don't do this full-time, part-time. So you keep me going like a workout buddy. So I appreciate that. And you also allow me to check out things and do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. You help me with covering shipping costs that does add up hundreds and hundreds of dollars every month. I appreciate that so very much. You allow me to continue to do weekly giveaways. I'm super grateful for that. I'm humbled by that. You also allow me to, you know, just do a whole lot of things. You get people involved like this, Metal Relic, that I'm super excited and honored to be part of, have these things to share with you guys. So very, very cool. All right. Yeah, a big shout out to you guys. So I do a couple of things for you guys, not to you guys. Hopefully I don't do that, but a couple of things for you guys to show my appreciation, right? I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway, and I do a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So if you're a channel member, you're eligible for the once a month members giveaway, and it's usually better than the weekly budget banger giveaway I'll try to do every week, right? It's a little nicer knife, a little nicer thing. Hopefully you will enjoy it. You find it interesting. The other thing that I also try to do is I also try to make sure that as a channel member, if you've not ever gotten a sticker, so if you're currently a channel member, whether you're a brand new channel member, been a channel member all along, or a channel member, became a channel member again, if you're a channel member right now currently and you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me with the name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. It's my small way to say thank you and appreciate you. So that's what I try to do. If any of that sounds interesting, the giveaway, the sticker, just supporting the channel, there's a link down below in the description, 3 different tiers. Would love to have you, be honored. Please don't ever feel obligated. Just do it if you want. And then also, yeah, that's those 3 things. Also, you haven't checked me out also on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. I'd love to see you over there and love for you to check that out as well. So thank you. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.